Elon Musk is known as a futuristic person when it comes to technology, but when it comes to politics, he's not all that active. But he actually keeps up with the political world, it seems, as he tried to warn the Russian President Vladimir Putin. Musk is worried about governments, specifically the Russian one, competing for artificial intelligence superiority, and hence the warning came from the tech billionaire. So, what actually happened that led the Tesla owner to come up with a warning for the Russian president? Well, let's dive into that a little deeper today. All of this started back in 2017 as Russian President Vladimir Putin joined the war of words concerning the international race to develop artificial intelligence. Putin predicted that whichever country leads the way in AI research will come to dominate global affairs. Artificial intelligence is the future, not only for Russia, but for all of humankind. It comes with colossal opportunities, but also threats that are difficult to predict. Whoever becomes the leader in this sphere will become the ruler of the world, Putin said. Putin also warned that it would be strongly undesirable if someone wins a monopolist position, and promised that Russia would be ready to share its know-how in artificial intelligence with other nations. The development of artificial intelligence has increasingly become a national security concern in recent years. Although it's thought that artificial intelligence will help boost countries' economies in a number of areas, from heavy industry to medical research, AI technology will also be useful in warfare. Artificial intelligence can be used to develop cyber weapons and control autonomous tools like drone swarms, fleets of low-cost quadcopters with a shared brain that can be used for surveillance, as well as attacking opponents. That's the exact part Elon Musk is worried about. He started to share his thoughts on Twitter by posting, "It begins." Hashing out his thoughts in public, Musk clarified that he was not just concerned about the prospect of a world leader starting the war, but also of an overcautious AI deciding that a preemptive strike is the most probable path to victory. Musk, co-chairman of OpenAI, has long warned of dire consequences for mishandling AI development. OpenAI itself is a non-profit research company that aims to champion promoting and developing friendly AI in a way to benefit humanity. As with any major technological advancement, however, there will undoubtedly be those who aim to weaponize it, and to do so before rivals. Based on Putin's comments, it sounds as if the nation is among them. North Korea should be low on our list of concerns for civilizational existential risk, Musk said in a tweet. China, Russia, soon all countries with strong computer science. Competition for AI superiority at national level, most likely cause of World War III IMO, Musk said in another tweet, using the internet shorthand for "in my opinion." Musk said that there was a possibility that war could be automated. Elon wants AI technology to be regulated at all costs. Nobody likes being regulated, but everything, cars, planes, food, drugs, etc., that's a danger to the public is regulated. AI should be too, he tweeted. Musk, who is known to make bold predictions, also noted a possibility where governments across the globe forcefully obtain AI systems developed by companies. At gunpoint, if necessary, he added. Governments don't need to follow normal laws. The Tesla and SpaceX boss hasn't been shy about his fears of a worst-case scenario unfolding at the hands of artificial intelligence going rogue. In fact, he's called it our biggest existential threat, and that we are summoning the demon as we further develop the tech. In all stories where there's the guy with the pentagram and the holy water, it's like he's sure he can control the demon, Elon Musk once said in an interview at MIT. Even though AI technology is at a nascent stage right now, and Russia isn't anywhere near cracking the technology, Musk is quite concerned about the whole AI situation. It could be that he made Putin a secondary target audience where his primary audience target was the whole world government personnel. Looking at how Elon predicted the massive switch of the automobile industry and made billions from that, the world government should take him a little seriously, if you ask me. So, that's all folks. Be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in another video. Ta-ra!